Meet Jingles, the North Pole's most gifted toy maker. He's always tinkering, always inventing, always pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Jingles' latest creation, a self-propelling toy train, unlike anything you've ever seen. This isn't just some toy, folks. This is a technological marvel. It can chug along trackless. It can climb miniature mountains. It can even conquer icy landscapes. Jingles spent weeks tirelessly experimenting. Powders, solutions, all meticulously documented in his trusty old notebook. He believed this invention could revolutionize Santa's Christmas Eve deliveries. Imagine faster, smoother, more efficient. News of Jingles' groundbreaking project spread like wildfire. Excitement filled the air. The day of the grand unveiling had arrived. But just as Jingles was about to activate his masterpiece, boom, disaster struck. A deafening explosion rocked the workshop. Tools flew, shelves crashed, and when the dust settled, Jingles was gone. Only his prized train, now in pieces, and a curious array of scattered powders remained. Where did Jingles go? What caused the explosion? The mystery begins.